say marriage expire. True or false? True. It expires when the initial thing they saw is no longer there. Please use wisdom. Those of you that are my daughters, I have been teaching you messages. Don't take any word you hear here, carnal. Use them, implement them. They will help you. Daddy talk what you have not heard before. That is why it look unbelievable. I'm the first to bring words. Go and browse, you will see. But the word I will bring will be so harsh. But later on, you will see it. Today, everybody talking, everybody's a suspect, everybody this one, marry this one, not to know to marry, all this. Go to internet and see. This generation we are, men seek for love. Men seek for love. But women don't seek for love. For women are not given right to love, but to reciprocate what you have given back to them. What keeps a man long on this earth is a woman that loves him. How do you know a woman that loves a man? She's a woman that is ready to share the little that man has. She's the woman that will not mind if he brings or not. Any woman that has that attributes give a man peace. But woman, it is irrelevant for a woman to be seeking of love. For LOVE does not exist. LOVE exists in MONEY, money. Every woman should seek for a man that is industrious, that has vision, that have thinking memory, and ready to invest his vision. The day a man's money ends, that day the love expires. The expiring date of love is lack of money. No woman will ever endure and live with hunger for a month. People say marriage expire. True or false? True. It expires when the initial thing they saw is no longer there. But when the initial thing they saw before telling you I do is there, the love rekindles. That is why no man should play with occupation. Your occupation is your true identity. No matter what you do to Ritabbi, I don't play with my occupation. No matter the temptation, the trial that comes my way, I don't play with my occupation. My occupation is my life. You being referenced by people are the outcome of your occupation. If your occupation is not productive, your so-called name is dead. Marrying a man you don't love but has what it takes to maintain you, develop the incoming love. Love does not leave, love comes. And something magnetizes love, money. You can't say you love a man by his look. It's a lie. You love a man or start loving him when you have lived with him through the caring, the acts, spending, the love will develop. Even you will love your enemy if he is caring and spending to you. If your wife has never loved you, you are in this kind of shoe and you're looking for advice from me, ravish him or her with money. The love will develop. Love and money and every nonsense. Stop looking for love. You are deceiving yourself. Love is a spirit. You can't feel it, you can't touch it. But you can touch love when money is involved. I love you, I love you, I love you. It is the attribute of what you can feel and touch. Learn this. It will help you. Make sure you make it. Stop putting pancake on your face as a boy. Brushing your beards. That is, we call it lust. How? I love this guy. See his beards. Once you have gotten his body to attach with your body, and you finish that so-called love, hungry grip you, his beards will turn to George Bush. But when money is there, wow. You call your husband, you are on, man. Money make your wife look younger. Don't allow anything to kill you. You die because of a man, the man will continue. You die because of a woman, the woman will continue.